Hi dear students, I am Kalaivani, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, and today we are going to see about the saponification, how to determine the saponification value of castor oil. So the description have been given and you can go through the descriptions and means what is the saponification value and all. So the requirements is about alcoholic potassium hydroxide 0.1 n, ethanol and sulfuric acid 0.5 n, phenolphthalein as indicator, and two clear conical flask that is of about standard solution and blank solution. Everyone was labeled, and take 2 gram of castor oil in the standard flask and keep the empty that is blank, labeled as a blank as empty. So here we weighed of about 2 grams of castor oil in the standard sample, means standard conical flask, and it is represented as a standard sample. So now we are going to add of about 25 ml of alcohol in both the blank as well as the standard sample. So and we need to have a vigorous shaking to get mixed. Both the oil and the alcohol should get well mixed, and hence the adding of alcohol of about 25 ml in both standard and sample was over, and now we started to shaking it. We need to shake well, hence we'll be getting a miscible liquid, and we need for keeping the standard flask alone, that is the standard sample alone, for boiling purpose. Just 1 hour occasionally shaking we can boil the standard, and the blank let it be as it is. There is no need of boiling the blank, and this boiling should be of about some 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. That is enough, I think so. That is, we want to just make a miscible liquid, that's all. So now the means 1 hour, after 1 hour, after the occasional shaking of 3 to 5 times, the standard means 3 to 5 times. Now we are going to add 0.5 n sulfuric acid. This we want to fill the burette with 0.1 n sulfuric acid. So the burette solution is sulfuric acid. So with this we are going to titrate the standard and the blank, that is standard sample and the blank. Yes, hence the burette was filled, and now we are going to add about 5 ml of alcoholic potassium hydroxide, that is 25 ml in both the sample and the blank. We are going to add, first we added in the standard solution, and now we are going to add in the blank solution too. This is we prepared by making it as 60% of alcohol, 40% of water. Now we are going to add 0.5 ml of phenolphthalein as an indicator in both the standard solution and the blank solution. So now the standard solution, blank solution appears in a pink color. Now we are going to titrate it with the burette solution, that is 0.1 n sulfuric acid, and we'll be getting an end point of about pink to colorless. So this is the end point, and once we receive the end point, that is pink to colorless, we need to measure the burette, how much the sulfuric acid have been transferred into the conical flask. Now the blank is being titrated with the when the blank is being titrated with the same 0.1 n sulfuric acid, and we'll notice how the result obtains. So when after taking both the readings, we need to calculate with this formula, and hence we are means the blank is also turning to pink to colorless. I think we obtained slight changes are there. I hope everyone sees. Yes, it is. If we are getting with the continuous shaking, we'll be obtaining the colorless. When the burette, when the sulfuric acid is dropping down, there should be continuous shaking. Now the blank also turns to colorless, The titration process was over, and after taking the burette reading of standard solution and blank solution, we are going to calculate the saponification value with the formula. That is, B is sulfuric acid for blank. We took about 15 ml of sulfuric acid and sulfuric acid, and we got the value of about 178. So it falls into the range.